Where to kiss a guy, 8 places men love to be kissed. Kissing is an intimate and profound way of expressing love and desire. While lip-to-lip kisses are undoubtedly delightful, there's a world of untapped passion waiting to be discovered in less explored areas. In this in-depth exploration, we'll delve into 8 intriguing spots that ignite passion, deepen connections, and add an extra layer of intimacy to your romantic moments. Now that we've covered the sensual neck kiss, let's proceed to discover more alluring spots that can deepen connections and create memorable experiences. The sensual neck kiss. The neck, particularly when approached from behind, claims the coveted position as the most enchanting destination for a passionate kiss. This tantalizing region, when graced with a gentle kiss, ignites a breathtakingly electrifying sensation that is almost impossible to resist. We advise reserving this intimate gesture for someone with whom you share a profound connection, as it serves as a sincere testament to your admiration of their strength and allure. Picture the scene, a dimly lit room, where time seems to stand still. As you embrace your partner from behind, their pulse quickening, you lean in and tenderly brush your lips against the nape of their neck. The moment is filled with an undeniable longing and desire, a connection that transcends words. The sensation of their skin against your lips, the warmth that envelopes you both, it's a moment of pure intimacy. In this hidden enclave of desire, where skin meets skin and passion flows freely, the world fades away. The neck becomes a canvas for affection, a testament to the power of physical connection and emotional intimacy. It is in these stolen moments that love, desire, and longing intertwine, leaving an indelible mark on the heart and soul. Continuing our journey through the world of passionate kissing, let's uncover the magic of the tender wrist kiss. The tender wrist kiss. Frequently underestimated, the wrist is an area of subtle vulnerability that unquestionably merits greater appreciation. A kiss placed gently upon the wrist is a profoundly beautiful and deeply appreciative gesture that possesses the remarkable ability to ignite feelings of love and desire within your partner. Consider this, in a world where grand gestures often steal the spotlight, it's the delicate, almost clandestine moments that often leave the most indelible mark. As your lips caress the skin of your partner's wrist, a symphony of sensations ensues. The soft brush of your mouth, the warmth of your breath, and the fragility of the wrist create an exquisite tableau of intimacy. This seemingly simple act conveys an abundance of sentiments. It speaks of admiration for the intricacies of their being, appreciation for the little things that make them unique, and a longing that transcends the physical realm. A kiss on the wrist is a declaration of love in its purest form, a silent testament to the profound emotions that words alone cannot express. As we move on to our next spot, the erogenous earlobe kiss, prepare to unlock a world of desire and intimacy that awaits. The erogenous earlobe kiss. Nestled discreetly behind the ears lies an intimate haven, a hidden treasure trove of sensations that possesses the enchanting power to send delightful shivers cascading down your partner's spine. When coupled with softly murmured words, it becomes an infallible method for stoking the flames of desire and crafting an unforgettable, passionate encounter. Imagine this, a moment of quiet intimacy, where time slows down, and the world fades into the background. As your lips tenderly explore the curvature of their ear, a delicate dance of sensations ensues. The warmth of your breath, the faint brush of your mouth, and the tantalizing proximity of your words create a symphony of desire. This seemingly subtle act is a profound declaration of affection. It speaks of your desire to explore every inch of your partner's being, to whisper sweet promises of love and devotion directly into their ear, and to create a connection that transcends the physical realm. A kiss behind the ear is an intimate embrace of their vulnerability, a testament to the profound emotions that pulse between you. Next, we'll explore the dip in the collarbone, a surprising favorite among many, and discover how it can electrify your romantic moments. The dip in the collarbone. Nestled within the contours of muscles and delicate nerves, the subtle hollow at the base of the collarbone may appear inconspicuous, but it conceals a clandestine treasure waiting to be discovered. Bestowing a kiss upon this enchanting locale has the remarkable ability to conjure an electrifying sensation, rendering it an unexpected yet beloved favorite among connoisseurs of passion. Picture this scenario, an intimate embrace where your partner's collarbone becomes the focal point of desire. As your lips graze this unassuming dip, a spark of electricity courses through their body, setting their senses ablaze. The softness of your kiss, the mingling warmth, and the anticipation of what's to come create an intoxicating interplay of emotions. This seemingly uncharted territory holds the promise of a profound connection. It signifies your appreciation for the subtleties of their physical form, your willingness to explore the depths of their desire, and your capacity to elicit fervent responses with the simplest of gestures. A kiss on the collarbone is a testament to your understanding of their desires, a declaration of your affection that transcends words. Transitioning to another intriguing spot, let's discuss the meaningful cheek kiss and how it can convey deep appreciation in a special way. The meaningful cheek kiss. Though cheek kisses are often seen as routine, there exists an enchantment within a deliberate, unhurried cheek kiss that transcends the ordinary. This intimate gesture, imbued with profound significance, possesses the wondrous ability to make your partner feel not just loved but treasured and uniquely valued. Imagine a moment where time appears to halt, and your world narrows to encompass only you and your beloved. In this hushed interlude, you press your lips tenderly against their cheek, savoring the connection and the emotions that swirl within. It's a kiss that speaks of appreciation for their presence, a silent affirmation of their significance in your life. This deceptively simple act carries a wealth of sentiment. It communicates that you see the beauty in the everyday, that you recognize the importance of expressing affection, and that you revel in the nuances of your connection. A deliberate cheek kiss is an unspoken proclamation of the deep bond you share, a testament to your ability to cherish the subtle moments that compose the tapestry of your love story. Moving down the path of sensuality, imagine the spine-tingling kiss down your partner's back as we discuss this unexpected pleasure. The spine-tingling kiss. Picture a scenario where your partner is lying prone, completely at ease, unaware of your impending surprise. As you descend with a kiss along their spine, you unleash an unexpected thrill that has the potential to etch a remarkable memory your partner will carry with them for a long time to come. In this intimate and unsuspecting moment, time seems to stand still. Your lips make a sensuous journey down the contours of their spine, leaving a trail of tingling sensations in their wake. The element of surprise, combined with the tenderness of your gesture, ignites a symphony of emotions that awaken the senses. This seemingly unanticipated act is a testament to your willingness to explore the depths of desire and pleasure within your relationship. It speaks of your ability to delight in the unexpected, to cherish the element of surprise, and to create a connection that goes beyond the ordinary. A kiss down the spine is a declaration of your desire to arouse both their body and their soul. Continuing our exploration, let's venture into the lower abdomen kiss, an area that can build intense tension and desire. The lower abdomen kiss. Exploring the lower abdomen with kisses has the extraordinary power to kindle a fervent tension and desire that can send your partner into a frenzy of attraction. When you approach this area with patience and sensuality, you unlock a thrilling experience that promises to ignite an irresistible longing in your beloved. Picture a moment when you and your partner are lost in each other's gaze, the world fading away as you slowly make your way down to their lower abdomen. Each kiss, each gentle touch, becomes a masterpiece of desire and anticipation. The vulnerability and sensitivity of this region add to the intensity of the experience. This deliberate act of affection is a testament to your willingness to explore the depths of your partner's desire. It signifies your dedication to igniting their passions, to stoking the fires of attraction, and to creating a connection that goes far beyond the physical. Kissing the lower abdomen is a declaration of your desire to awaken their deepest yearnings, both in body and soul. Finally, let's explore the masculine shoulder kiss and understand how it can be a subtle yet powerful expression of appreciation. The masculine shoulder kiss. The shoulders bear a profound significance for many individuals, especially men, as they are frequently linked to notions of masculinity and strength. Bestowing a kiss upon your partner's shoulders serves as an understated yet profoundly meaningful gesture, expressing genuine appreciation for their manhood and creating an unexpectedly delightful experience for them. Picture a moment of intimacy when your partner's shoulders are exposed, and you lean in to place a soft, affectionate kiss upon them. This seemingly subtle act is imbued with significance, as it conveys your recognition of their strength, resilience, and the unique qualities that define their masculinity. In the world of passionate kisses, there's so much more to explore beyond the traditional lip lock. These 8 intriguing spots offer a gateway to a deeper connection, heightened intimacy, and unforgettable moments with your partner. So, the next time you want to ignite the flames of passion, consider exploring these hidden gems of sensual kissing. Your partner will thank you, and your relationship will flourish with newfound depth and desire. Support us now. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel today to never miss out on any exciting content. Your support is a great encouragement and helps us create even more engaging videos. Thank you.